I am definitely gonna miss you, see.
Meet four best friends who share a bond like no
Think
other.
about keeping in mind that you don't get a vote.
They are the proud owners of Paddy's Pub.
I've been reading up on the subject of pedophilia.
Wow, that is good news.
They are about to turn your morning viewing upside down, featuring awkward and weird
You
sex.
got pants in your pants?
Yeah, I've seen you at the gym. You're ripped.
Don't turn this around. Yeah? Maybe I'll give you a call sometime.
Shame the terminal disease.
I found out I might have cancer, so... Charlie has cancer!
You poor baby, I'll be right down.
You were right about that. Cancer?
And unwanted nudity that are not suitable for young
What does your
children.
brother do? We just stepped out of the shower. Did you say we?
Opportunities like this don't come along every day.
You got black women crawling all over you, and this Mary over here's the belle of the ball. How's that ass? Why do these people like you guys so much?
Because you're an asshole.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Catch the premiere of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, December 1st at 8 a.m. Mondays to Fridays, only on Martin 3.
You don't need to rinse your mouth all day for long-lasting fresh breath. Introducing new Colgate Plaques. It's clinically proven to help reduce bacteria accumulation for a full 12 hours and gives you the confidence of long-lasting fresh breath anytime, anywhere. Colgate Plaques, 12-hour antibacterial protection and long-lasting fresh breath. Colgate, recommended by dentists.
Ang labo.
Macular?
Lalong lumalabo.
Degeneration? Ano yun?
Ang makula ay parte ng retina sa mata na kailangan para makakita. Sa pagkasira ng makula, nanlalabo ang paningin. Isang kondisyon na may iwasan pag may lutein. Lutein na nasa Optine. Ang araw-araw na pag-inom ng Optine ay nakakatulong mapangalagaan ang kalusugan ng mga mata. Iwasan ang maagang paglabo ng paningin. Optine, klaro ba?
Want to buy a box of Thin Mints?
Sure, I'll take 2 boxes.
How about 2 million?
No, 1 million.
Okay.
Wait, what? Oh, you're good.
New Thin Mints flavor of Shaka Shaka Mix-Ins with crushed cookies served with the ice cream.
Forever young and beautiful, perhaps a dream. So I go to sleep every night with 4G antioxidants. Tumutulong ang 4G antioxidants na pangalagaan at panatilihing malusog ang mga cells. A new day shines bright and fresh. I feel young, healthy, beautiful, and full of life. 4G antioxidants. Forever.
Pag malaki ang gasto sa gamot, wala ka nang makikita. Sa kita mo. Kaya ugaliing mag-Safeguard. Sa 14 pesos lang, laking tipid. Dahil ang Safeguard, tumutulong maiwasan ang sakit. Iwas sakit, iwas gastos with Safeguard Protection.
Due to the global recession.
Sa panahon ngayon, sobrang careful ako sa pag-i-invest. Broken hair means di ako nakapag-invest in the right place. Kaya ngayon, with Pantene Hair Fall Control, I invest in the root. My Pro-V formula na nagsistrengthen from root to tip for up to 98% less hair fall or triple your money back. Nag-invest ka na ba in the right place?
For hair so healthy, you shine. Pantene.
Sa patagalan, anong bareta ang bossing? Bagong Tide Taba Bar. Mas tumatagal sa ibang bareta. Testingin natin. Mabigat na yan? Iyan ang mabigat. Kaya nga Tide Taba eh. Sa labahan, alin kaya mas tatagal? Bilis matunaw nito. Ang Tide, mataba pa rin. Napakasulit, napakataba. Tide Taba Bar. Wow lasting. Available din, Tide Taba Eraser Bar.
I do so much styling, kaya my hair becomes damaged and it falls to pieces. Sunsilk's best ever damage repair system with Olive Serum Nutri Complex, reconstructs hair in just 10 days. Para yung hair ko, sobrang smooth and healthy ulit. I can style all I want without worrying about damage. New Sunsilk Damage Repair System.
Mahilig si baby sa mahigpit na yakap ni mommy. Kaya kahit sa pagtulog, dala ng new Pampers Comfort ang yakap na tulad ng sayo. Dahil ang Pampers ay may bear hug tapes na may mas malakas na kapit, mas secure, kaya tumutulong para iwas leaks. Para sa tuloy-tuloy na tulog ni baby. At umagang puno ng yakapan.
Back to bear hug, health skipping.
Pampers Comfort, peaceful nights, playful days.
New Immortal Call Plus from Bloom Tattoo. 15 pesos lang. The only call and text with no expiry.
Hello?
In this universe, you never end.
12 lang nga napili sa tryout. 113 ako.
Tahan na, anak. Mag-Lucky Me ka muna. Ano sabi ng nanay?
Tomorrow is another day. Our dream shall never die!
Hi. Do you know bacteria are building up in your mouth right now?
No way.
I'll show you. Let's do an oral scan. That's bacteria multiplying.
Can't be. I brushed this morning.
Then try something advanced. Colgate Total helps fight bacteria buildup for up to 12 hours. Hi. Been using Colgate Total?
Yeah.
Let's do another scan.
What a difference.
That's why you need Colgate Total.
12-hour protection against bacteria buildup.
Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
Looking for Colgate toothpaste? Ask for it and trust the